Here are the top 7 modal verbs that you should know. The first one is can. It can be used for ability or permission. For example, for ability, I can swim. I can't play the piano. For permission, can I get a drink, please? Or if you're asking a teacher, can I please go to the bathroom? The next modal verb is could. You can use it for past ability or a polite request. For example, I could do a handstand when I was a kid, but I can't do it now. Or a polite request is, could you please turn down the music? It's quite loud. The next modal verb is will. It's used for a future action, promise, or certainty. So a future action is, will you go with me to the movies tonight? Or for a promise or a certainty, I will not raise taxes. Or I will wash the dishes tonight. The next one is should. It's used for advice or recommendation. For example, should I open a checking account or a savings account at the bank? The next modal verb is must. So this is used for a strong obligation or necessity. For example, you must lock the door when you leave the house. Or you must not turn up the heat past 21 degrees. The next one is may. It's used for possibility or permission. So for example, oh, I may go to the soccer game tonight. That means you might go or you might not go. You're not sure yet. It's also used for permission. For example, may I go to the bathroom? May I carry those groceries for you? The final modal verb is might. It's used for a weak possibility. So for example, I might go to the soccer game tonight. That means maybe yes, but probably no. Okay, so those are it for my top 7 modal verbs in English that you want to use in kind of your everyday conversation. If you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, leave a comment and say hello, and also be sure to check out my book, 1001 English Expressions and Phrases. Also, if you want to support this channel, please be sure to check out membership options.